Same day I picked the Fiesta up, we're starting to work on it already. First things first is the door lock outside doesn't work. So we're going to take the door card off. We're already missing the handle. But I've just took the trim off, it's been stapled on in the past. And it's been wood screwed in. As we can see, it's not been a good job. And it's been drilled directly into the metalwork of the door. Door card's off. 3 screws holding in the door panel. 1 holding in there, and we're just going to rip this plastic off. I'm not too bothered about the concourseness of the car at the moment. So we're now going to discover what's up with the lock. As we can see, the door handle works fine, it just doesn't lock with the key. Straight away I've come across the issue. As we can see, is the barrel, and there's the locking mechanism, and you can clearly see that the barrel it's not connecting to anything, it's completely independent. And I've just found this in the bottom of the door, so hopefully clip it on, reinsert it in there, and hopefully I've got working locks again. With the passenger door lock finished, I'm quickly moving on to stripping the parcel shelf down. All the screws have been undone, and it's now time to remove this big piece of MDF. That's no longer needed, and for the time being I think I'm going to leave the parcel shelf as it is until the restoration of the car gets further along. But looking at it, it is definitely a homemade one. Parcel shelf is now reinstalled as best as it can be. So the next job is we are going to be fixing this issue. As we can see, the liners in the boot have debonded from themselves. The soundproofing has come away from the outer bit, which is the side that's on show. So we are going to be gluing them back together on both sides. As you can see, they've been spray glued on in the past, or from the factory, and that's essentially what we're going to be doing again. Before I jump in straight away and start gluing them together, what I've done is, as we can see, you can clearly see the difference. I've sanded them, I've removed the big globs of glue. This one hasn't been done yet. This one's ready to be glued together. Just moved all the old glue, as you can see. So I'll give them a dust off, repeat the process on that one, and they can be glued together. When using spray glue, what you don't want to do is you don't want to go overboard with it. So we're going to spray both sides. We're going to give this one a light coating. And the can's been used many a time, so the nozzle's a bit dodgy, that's why it's not coming out in a big pattern. You're going to get round the seams. Pattern's getting a bit better now. You can see I've sprayed this, I've let it sit for 2 minutes, and now the inner soundproofing can go in. Final job for this video is finally complete. Got the near side and the off side. Boot line is complete. Soundproofing is completely glued in. They've had a little wash as well. and they look as good as new. Time to reinstall them. Both sides are now fully reassembled. Looking as good as ever. And it's tidied the boot up quite nicely. That brings an end to the video. We've got the first few jobs done and out the way. As we can see, the current state of the car. There's plenty more videos underway and they'll be up soon. If you liked the video, like, comment and stick around for more.